Hey, this is Dave. I'm going to take you through entering a Sysco order guide. The first thing that you need to do is get in touch with your representation from Sysco and get a username and password for the Sysco Marketplace logon online. And if you go to esysco.net, it will bring you to this page, and you can enter that customer user ID and the password that's assigned to you, and then go ahead and hit submit. And what you want to do is go right here into the Sysco Market Express, and you're not actually going to go to order guide, you're going to go to lists. And what you need to ask your rep to do is to make sure that they set up, you can see there are 3 different kinds of lists. There's my list. These are lists that you can make your own order guide on the website. There's the Sysco list, and this is a list that your rep can put on here for you, but you can't really do that much with. And then there is a shared list, and this is an order guide that your rep can set up for you and then make revisions to that show up pretty much the next day on the list. So as they add products to your order guide that you need, those products will show up on a shared list. So to download the list, just click on the list that you're using. Make sure that you choose the right one. You can see that you can have more than one order guide at any one time. And then simply go here to More List Tools. Click on Export List. Make sure that you click on the box that says Include Pricing. Don't worry about Save These Settings. It always makes me still click that box, so I stopped checking that months ago, or years ago now. And then click Export. And then make sure you have a location on your computer where you can find the file once it downloads. So you can see here's the Sysco list. So I'm going to just leave this one here in this download folder. And I actually already have a different list downloaded for the account that I'm about to show you. Anyway, at this point, just go ahead and hit close. Return to the Cherry software, and then go to the CPP supplier for Sysco Foods and just click Add Supplier. And then locate that price list. Click Update, and you'll see here it says Cherry has been updated successfully. And the item list, if you want to see it, you can click right here on View. And it has now been brought into our software and is ready for you to set up mapping. Mapping is a separate video, so that is basically all the steps needed to get your prices from Sysco Foods into the Cherry software. The mapping now will consist of your total number of items, and this is how many items that are needed to be mapped, and you can learn how to do that by clicking the page help and viewing the video for setting up item relations. The last thing that you need to do to set this account up for Sysco is to actually edit it with the information that applies to your account. So if you click on Edit, then you can go and replace the placeholder information with your supplier rep's email, your supplier rep's phone number, and I want to point something out to you. Please make sure that when you put the supplier rep's phone number in, that it is their mobile number, and that you do it without spaces and without special characters. And make sure that you include the 1, or it will not send the text message to the supplier that there is an order coming. And just fill in the rest of the information as it's applicable and click Update, and you're ready to start the relationship process. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Have a cherry day.